Hello, welcome back to Basics of Mechatronics class. In this session, I would like to demonstrate you how to program an Arduino using LabVIEW. Previously, we have done programming for an Arduino using MATLAB, using Arduino IDE, and using Simulink. Yeah. Uh, it will be the last option I'm demonstrating in this course. Yeah. Programming an Arduino using LabVIEW. Let me divide my presentation into 5 segments. The first one is installation. The second step is restarting the LabVIEW. Number 3 is establishing the communication between the computer on which the LabVIEW installed with the Arduino. Yeah. And then example number 1 and example number 2. Yeah, installation is procedural. So first thing you have to do is, of course, find the opening the tools, opening the tools menu, and then find a VI package manager, and then you will get this window, on the search bar, please type Digiland links. Make sure that the toolbox to be installed is compatible with your LabVIEW. Okay, so here you need to pay attention to the detail of LabVIEW version and Digiland link version you want to install. Okay, and then click install on the install or to install the toolbox. This is the window you want to get. During the installation, you have to choose, you have to agree with this license agreement. You click yes, and then once it is successfully installed, you will get this window. Okay. Once you complete the installation, you have to restart the LabVIEW. So you have to close the program, and then you reopen the LabVIEW. Now it's the time to start the communication between the computer and the Arduino using LabVIEW. First one is open tools on the top, and then click Maker Hub links and click on links firmware wizard. Select the type of Arduino you use. In this case, I'm using Arduino Nano. Device family is Arduino, and the type is Nano. The communication method is using USB cable or serial method. And then you need to choose COM port, the port you use, which USB port you use. Here I'm using COM number 5. Depends on your computer. Sometimes the computer choose it randomly. Okay, I have no idea how the computer determine which port is being used, but however, you can check on the device manager on your computer at which port you use for serial communication. Here you see that there is a connection USB serial CH340COM5. So you have to choose suitable COM. If not, you will not be able to establish the communication. And then select upload method. I think this one is the firmware. The firmware version is link serial USB, and the upload type is pre-built firmware. And then in the end of the link firmware, click launch example. So there is a button. Launch example. and then finish. You have this example. Yeah, the program is available already. Yeah, and then don't forget to prepare your Arduino. Yeah, here let's do the simplest one, which is digital output. Yeah, where the LED is connected to the pin out digital number 13. Yeah, there is a resistor to limit the maximum current flowing on the LED. And here is the result. Yeah, you see that the blinking of LED precisely following the process of clicking the button. Yeah, when you click the button, yeah, and then the LED will be turned on. So you can control hardware using this button. Yeah. The next example is analog input. Yeah. Just find the example. Yeah, and then you can see the program. The program is available already. What I'm doing here is reading voltage. Yeah, on A3 analog input. Yeah, using a potentiometer. Yeah, remember the potentiometer provide voltage at this pin, yeah, starting from 0 volt up to 5 volts. Yeah, here is the demonstration. Yeah, so this gauge, yeah, precisely represents the angular position of the potentiometer. Yeah, but here I'm showing you the data in form of voltage. Yeah, starting from 0 up to 5 volts. Yeah. Okay, in the future you are going to learn how to program how to do a programming on LabVIEW. Yeah. Furthermore, you will be able to change this maximum scale from 20 to B5, yeah, which is more representative. Yeah. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much and see you again. Thank you.